Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all. Welcome back to Excelsnippet and iselfacademy YouTube channel, Excel User Series 4.0, video number 12. And this is a new playlist that I'm creating right now that is called Club 365. You can use this to learn all our Office 365 formulas that I've built in my YouTube channel. This is my 200th video in Excel User Series or Excel Snippet channel. So in this video we are about to see, or I'll say the overall this is the 200th video that I'm creating for my YouTube channels. So I should say that I'm not doing it on the Excel Snippet yet. So in this video we are about to compare two different data set, and then what I want to do right now is I want to extract the data. I'm sorry, I just gave a wrong point here. I want to extract the email service provider's name. This I can achieve it either by a flash fill option. This is the old school methodology. If you're using Office 2013 version and above, you can use the flash fill option. Now if you're using Office 365 or 2019 version and above, the TextAfter function allows you to get that breakup for you beautifully. So let's see how to do that. So if I want to extract this in a flash fill will be a static method. Now I have a training feedback form which I built via a Google Sheet. Then I got the list here on so and so date, so and so people have took the class from me, and then they gave a list here. So I got all my data set, one that I got a feedback from 2022, and few of them are which I got it recently, maybe a week before we got it. So now I want to know whether they are given their own personal mail ID for us, or they are given an official mail ID for us. I want to extract that here. That's what I just got the list in here. I've taken all the email IDs alone in a new sheet, and then I started working on it. Now if I want to use a flash fill option, I can start working on it. Again, flash fill option will be a little, you have to use it carefully. You cannot start using an add condition to break it out. So I will write the first name of the email address here. It says the proindia.com. So when I give a control enter and a control E, that's going to populate all my data set here beautifully. So now I know their email address extension. I can do this by the latest formula called TextAfter functionality. So when I go for a TextAfter function, I'm going to choose this the text that I want. I want to know the delimiter here. The delimiter that I want to get the text after is the @ functionality. And then when I close the bracket and give an enter, that's going to populate my data set in here. And then if I want to make that for an instant here, then I can give a comma and give an enter. That's going to give you the list, and this is not going to automatically populate in the data set. And now I'm going to just give control D, which allows me to get the list from the point. And if you want to make this as I want to know the number of people who have commented me on this list, then I'll create the unique list here. So I'm going to just say equals unique, then choose the whole data set here, and then give an enter. That's going to give you the unique list. So there are few of them from their respective company email address. There are few of them that they give from a different email address altogether, and I do get some common user services like Yahoo and Gmail here. Now I want to give a count if functionality to check out how many people or the total number of counts that I got here. So totally I got the entire feedback from 28 people here, and then you can see I'm getting out of 13 from Explore Group, and then 6 from Pro India, and the rest of them coming from different companies, but they have given their own personal email addresses to me. This is how we will extract the email address alone from a sheet, either by using a flash fill option or a TextAfter function. So you can, whatever version that you're using, based on that your functionality will vary here. This is Vinod signing out from Excel Snippet and iselfacademy YouTube channel with Excel User Series 4.0 video number 12. and we are adding a new playlist called Club 365. Happy weekend and happy learning. Thank you so much.